Are you ready for another Halloween book? Well, I have one for you. It's called Skeleton Hiccups. The author is Marjorie Coulier, and the illustrator is S.D. Schindler, and this book is hilarious. Let's read about how this skeleton gets rid of his hiccups. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. He took a shower. He has the hiccups in the shower. And he dropped his soap when he hiccuped. It's on the floor. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Uh-oh. Looks like his teeth shot out of his mouth when he hiccuped. Polished his bones. Uh-oh. He broke off his arm. That's not good. Carved a pumpkin. How does his carving job look? It's a little crooked. Like cuts everywhere. He raked some leaves. He played with Ghost. But he could not catch the ball very well with hiccups. Ghost told the skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar." The sugar fell out of his body. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. He poked himself in the eye. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said boo to skeleton. Ah. Didn't really work. Still has the hiccups. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. I wonder what he's gonna get inside that big toy box. He found a mirror. Held it up. Skeleton screamed! Skeleton scared himself in the mirror. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! The end. Skeleton got rid of his hiccups. Good job, Skeleton. Hope you liked it. It was a fun book. Happy Halloween.